Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover how do we do the local development. Though we are must be already aware that if we are using Git, then we need to create feature branches. We'll work on feature branches on our local machine. When we are good, we do the validation, and then we finally merge it with the dev branches. So in usual projects, you must be seeing there must be various branches, a master branch, then feature branches, a dev branch, QA branch, etc., etc. And then we fork out first feature branch, then we work on that one. So here also I will try to cover that only. So first we need to create a new branch. I'll just create a new branch in Git itself. I'll just name it as my feature. Okay, or create new branch. I just created a new my feature branch. So right now I am under my feature branch, right? I just want to clone it, so I'll just copy it. So there are multiple ways we can clone it using Git, or we can we have command prompt. So I'll just use this one because I really want to use the Eclipse here. What I have done is I will import a project. I'll from Git. We can do it from command prompt also, that is fine. Project from Git, and it will ask to clone the repository, clone URI, and then repository path is this, URI is this, and next I just want to select my feature branch. Main branch is also it's given, but I want to select only feature branch so that I can work. And it's saying here it will store, which I want to change because I don't want to keep it here. So here maybe I will create on this path. I'll just change the path to Franklin demo. Feature branch, everything looks good. Next. Next. Awesome. Okay, everything looks good. Finish. Yeah. And the project is available on my local now. Now what I want to do is I want to try something. So we have already created this website. If I open the index page, right, rather I should open the preview URL. Cancel. I'll just open the preview URL, copy preview URL, and I will open it. Okay, and maybe what I want to try is I want to try to change the color of this whole thing from something from maybe black to something red or something. So in the body, this color I want to change. It is right now black, and maybe I want to change it to red, right? So see the path, it is inside. The path is styles.css. So styles.css, and I should find body here, and the color right now it's variable, but I'll change it to a static value. Okay, I changed it, I saved it. Now I need to commit this change. I'll do the same, commit my changes. See, this is the file which I will add. Okay, this is already added. Fine. Committing my styles. Commit and push. Okay, it's asking my username. It is basically my credentials. I hope I have put the right password. Okay. Let me fix it. I will get back. So I was able to push the changes finally. And let me know if you are also facing the issue. I will just tell what was the issue. That was just related to some authentication. Okay. So let's close it. What changes I have done is here. Okay. Let me go to my repository. Here is my repository. I'll refresh it just to see if the changes are there now. Which was there inside, sorry, wrongly clicked. It's inside scripts. Again wrong. It was under styles and styles.css, and basically I changed body. Yeah, those changes are here. Okay, so the changes are here. Now I want to validate if the changes are reflecting. So I'll go to the page where the changes should be reflected here. Okay, here actually I changed manually in the browser, but I'll try to refresh and see if the changes are reflecting. It should reflect, right? But those are not reflecting. It's still black in color. Okay, so here is something which I have already explained. The URL is formed based on few, how this URL is formed. First is the branch, and then the repository name, and then the username, right? The branch is main, but the changes we have done, which is in my feature branch name is my feature. So that's why it's not reflecting. The changes I have made to my feature branch. What I need to do is I'll just change it to my hyphen feature. Okay, and if I hit it, now the color is red. Okay, so this is how we do in normal development also. First we create the feature branch, we do our changes, we push our changes to feature branch, and then finally we raise the PR. I will not go to that detail how we raise the PR, but yeah, we just need to push our changes. We can create a pull request here. We know about it. There are multiple ways through command prompt, through Eclipse, IntelliJ, lots of ways are there. But yeah, once we validate our changes, we push it to our feature branch, and that is how we validate. We can also validate these changes on our local host. What we need to do is we need to open the command prompt and go to the path where our project is there. So our project is there on which basically this path. Here we have the project, so I'll go to properties. This is the path of the project. Here I'll open the command prompt. This is what? This is my G drive. So I'll change the through G drive, change the path. Okay, and here we need to run CLI command. I will I think I should be having. First, we need to have npm and node, that I have already explained, but still, I'll just show you what version I'm having. npm -v, this is the npm version I'm having, and node -v, this is the node version I'm having. If you see any issue when you are running the commands in the npm, or you are making the environment up, you can just upgrade the node version. Okay, so this is what we need to install, the AEM CLI module. And it might take some time. Come on. Okay, once it's done, it's just we need to run the AEM up command. Okay, I think demo 3, this is where we have the project. And yeah, it says on 3000 port started, and the R changes which we have made on our local repository is reflecting. Okay, so this is it. How do we do the local development? How do we set up the local environment? And how do we create feature branches? We do our stuff. Thank you so much for watching.